If you're a wildlife enthusiast, then you need to see this. African wild lions in action. These majestic kings of the savannah are not just fierce hunters, but also devoted family members. Watch as a lioness skillfully hunts a buffalo, showcasing precision and teamwork. Thirsty after the chase, they gather to drink at a serene waterhole, a brief moment of peace. Their home, the dense forests and open plains of Africa, where every day is a battle for survival. But it's not all about the hunt. Lion cubs, playful and curious, are the heart and future of the pride. See how lionesses fiercely protect their young from danger. And sometimes even the mighty lion can be caught off guard, like this encounter with a wild boar. From hunting strategies to tender moments, African wild lions are truly incredible. Stay wild, stay curious, and keep exploring.